What's up, everyone? It's Cameron, and this is an update. I finally got all my sales through for my new shop. I made a video the other day on Monday to basically let you guys know I got my shop going, finally. You guys have been asking me about it. Finally got one with products on it that's making crazy sales, at least crazy sales for what I expected. This isn't like I got multiple team members of VAs or anything fulfilling orders constantly, those kind of sales, but it's definitely more than I've seen in a while from one source. So, and it's all from one product, which is crazy. Anyway, before I get started, I just got done recording 5 other videos that I'm gonna apply to my course soon. So if you have been thinking or are on the edge of getting the course, right now it's normally $150. It's only $75 right now. It will go up once I add those videos a little bit in price, because it's gonna now entail shops and marketplace. So if you're interested, get it now before the price goes up, because you'll already have access once you buy it when the new content comes out. So hoping to get that done in the next couple weeks. Actually, like course finished wise. Anyway, I'll stop talking about that. Link is in the description. But I got my profits, and I don't really know, because I fulfilled these all at one time, what my profit for the first day was. I'm pretty sure my profit for my first day of shops being open, so the first like 20 hours it was open, I think I ended up around $300. Could be wrong. But now I'm 2 days in like 8 hours, or 2 days and 6 hours because of overnight kind of stuff, whatever. And my current profit is sitting at $692.82. For 2 days and some change, that's not bad. I mean, my goal right now is to get this shop, and that's all selling one product. Like, I've uploaded like 300 some products, just default with FBM Fox, like not putting in any work. I don't go and customize any titles, customize any descriptions. I literally was just experimenting when this thing happened. So it's not even like what I expected it to be. I just was like, ooh, yeah, they have this new bulk upload feature, which I still have yet to make a video about. I need to make a video about it so you guys can learn about it. They have videos on it too, though, if you want to look. Anyway, that's FBM Fox. Link is in the description for that as well if you want to support the channel. Anyway, you get a discount. Oh, by the way, I'm all over the place. I have some energy. One product is selling. I've made 65, well, it's almost 70 now, but 70 individual sales over the past 2.5 days or whatever. And I list them at 50% markup with $5 shipping. So once the 50% markup's done, it's not like you get 50% profit, because then once the markup's applied, and then, your profit ends up being like 35% around there once it's all said and done. But the $5 shipping on top of that, because this product only cost me $12 to buy, it makes me profit over $10 on each one of these. Yeah. So 65, I mean, right now, my actual profit's at $690. I mean, that's pretty damn cool. And it's to the point again, just like when I started Marketplace, where it was like, I'm personally going in and fulfilling all these orders, so it's starting to get overwhelming when I spend 2 or 3 hours in the morning updating orders, fulfilling them, and then putting in tracking, because now I'm finally starting to get tracking for some of them. So, again, one product just happened to be given out by the Facebook gods to the world, and just a bunch of people are buying it. It's the dumbest product too. I'll probably give it to you eventually, but right now, because it's still hot, I'm keeping it myself. But I mean, FBM Fox had me do this. I mean, they didn't tell me to do this. It's just that they're the reason why this even happened, kind of, because I wasn't gonna go in. I'm too lazy. For those, I used to say this all the time when I started my channel, but for those of you who are new and haven't gone back and watched my first videos when I only had like 100 subscribers or whatever, I'm really lazy. I don't want to put a bunch of work into this stuff. And that's the whole reason. That's why my videos aren't crazy edited. I don't do a bunch of jump cuts to cut out most of my ums. I experiment with it every once in a while, but for the most part, I just leave in when I stumble, and I don't really care. I'm not doing multiple different setups anywhere. Eventually I might get there, but I'm not there right now. I like that I can just think of something, hop on, talk for 10 minutes or so, jump off, throw it in my editor, put my lav mic audio to it and call it a day, upload it the next day, whatever. I'm lazy, is what I'm saying. The FBM Fox thing works for me perfectly, and this isn't to sell them or anything like that. I just genuinely, They have a button where it's just like anything that's on a page on Amazon or Walmart or whatever, you just hit a button and it uploads it to your FBM Fox account. And then you just copy paste a link to your Facebook shop, now if you have one set up, and it just auto feeds that crap to your shop, and then people see it. I literally got, in my mind, $690 for 2 minutes of work. And most of that was me being like, I gotta type in something in the URL for Amazon and find something to start with. I click on a couple things, hit the upload button. I bulk uploaded like 100 to 300 things very quickly. Good to go. And that's the thing too. I didn't update any titles or descriptions. I didn't fancy it up to try to sell it harder. I honestly didn't even want to get sales, which is why I did the 50 markup plus the $5 shipping across the board. And look at me now. Almost $700 for like no reason. It's beautiful. Now, who knows? My Amazon might get shut down because I just did that many orders in a row in like less than 2 days. Because I did it, me fulfilling orders and everything was technically in less than 2 days. But I haven't run into the issue yet because it's so fresh. Some of you guys are having issues with like chargebacks and stuff like that. Now, if I experience those, I can update you on them. But for now, I've already got a pending balance. I think my sales right now, until it updates in the morning, it says like $1,100 in sales or visits or something like that. I don't know. I'll post some of those when I do a more detailed video. But I told you guys last video I was going to get you the profit number. That's my profit number. $692.82. So that's all I wanted to update you with right now. Keep you updated. Support part of the video. Yes. I already talked about my course in the beginning of the video. My course link is in the description. It's $75 right now. I will be updating it with shops information soon. So go check that out if you're interested. But also FBM Fox, which is what I've been talking about in a lot of this video. If you are interested in that, because to me, I'm all about being lazy and FBM Fox helps me be lazy. That link is in the description. It gives you 10% off your first month. If you use a paid plan, they also have a free lister that you can use. Go for it, but still use my code because it helps me out and it helps you out if you ever decide to buy anything. That's pretty much it. That's all I've got for you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.